It looks so good, guys. Here's our tent where we slept. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure video with E. And for today's video, we got probably the craziest one so far. And by the title, I'm sure you guys can tell that this is gonna be our first ever winter solo backpacking trip together. I'm excited for you guys to come with me and join me on this adventure. But yeah, so far we're kind of just walking down this trail. Yeah, we're gonna continue walking and see if we can find us a good spot to set up camp. And right away, I think I kind of see one down there, which might be a good bet. The river, if you guys are wondering, is actually the same river from the bushcraft video, although we are a ways far from where we built that shelter. Try and keep moving without sliding all the way. That was close. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna set up camp just about in here. It's pretty good flat ground, so yeah, let's set up our tent, and then after that we'll probably go grab some wood, start chopping, maybe take a sec to eat a snack, and then yeah, hopefully get us a fire started. So okay, everyone, the tent is officially set up. We've got the tent over here. Let's throw the gear inside the tent. We'll start looking to make a fire. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, got our camp set up. I'm gonna grab some snacks and grab the axe, and we'll start chopping some wood. So guys, I got my little packet here again. This was what we had last time. It's got a couple fire starters and whatnot. I'm actually gonna leave that light out just in case. Go ahead and grab this knife. Hopefully this time we can actually get a fire started. Let's go chop us some wood. Okay guys, quickly just went to the river and grabbed some water. Oh. This tree we just got should be pretty good for the fire. So I'm gonna start making some shavings, and we'll see if we can get us a nice fire going. All right, guys. Well, it's getting about that time to hopefully start this fire. I'm really hoping that we can get it started. As you guys can see, the sun is starting to go down, but I just scraped up all of that off this piece, and we've got some little sticks over here to hopefully, remember, keyword is hopefully, so hopefully I'm praying we can start this fire. We've got our ferro rod. All right, everyone, after multiple attempts, we have finally got it. Finally! As you guys can see, it's literally dark outside, but had to go collect some more wood. But all that matters is we got it. I'm gonna go get some food for us, and we're gonna make some bomb-ass food, so let's do it. All right, guys, so what we've got for dinner tonight is gonna actually be some good old grilled cheese sandwich. I'm gonna throw some butter in there. You guys can see. Sit it on top of there. Let that butter just melt away in that pan. As you guys can see, we got the butter going. There we go. Got all that butter in there. And now I'm gonna toss a good old piece of bread in there. Got that much. Let it sit. We got our little seasoning with us as well. You guys can see. And then our cheese in here. Let's quickly move around our bread. And then throw a shit ton of cheese on there. Just as so. And then grab this one, slap it on top, put her back on. The bread that I'm actually using, guys, is jalapeno bread. So yeah, I'm so excited to eat, guys. I don't think you guys know how good this is gonna be. All right, guys, I would say it's just about done. All right, guys, we just finished up our sandwich. It looks so good, guys. I'm so excited to eat this. Let's get right into it. Just cut that right down the middle. Make sure you guys like and sub if you guys want to see more of this kind of content. And I hope you guys are all having a great day. Let's take the first bite. Here we go. I think now I'm just gonna pick up, and then I'll take you guys in with me to the tent. We can chill by the fire some more. And yeah. Yeah, I'm really proud of myself for being able to do stuff like this, because I know growing up definitely like not part of my life, like this whole outdoors thing. I never would have ever thought I would have been doing it on my own, or like backpacking on my own, doing this kind of stuff, you know. And probably like my junior year in high school, I really started to like branch out and kind of explore, venture off into who I really was. I just fell in love with exploring. I started doing stuff like this with my friends, which is why this summer you guys will see a lot of videos of me and all the homies going up to backpacking and hopefully catch some fish together. So I'm excited for that. Yeah, I kind of just wanted to give you guys a little breakdown about how I kind of just got into all of this. And of course, recently I was just like, why don't I just film the things I love to do, which is adventuring? And yeah, why don't I just film it? And I've been enjoying it. I really have been enjoying it. Yeah, all of this is just really cool to me. It's all really new, and I'm excited to keep going and keep exploring with you guys. So it's currently 7:01. Probably gonna just chill by this fire maybe for like another hour, and yeah, later on we'll start to put it out and probably just see you guys in the tent, and we'll just chill in there for a little bit as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Hook that up there. What's cool about this backpack that I actually have, the top piece actually like comes off, like the top cap. So I'm kind of just gonna try, I guess, and use this as a pillow. And I don't know if it's just me, but I actually love listening to Joe Rogan. So I'm gonna listen to like maybe a podcast or something like that. Yeah, without further ado, give you guys one more update when I really go to bed. Yeah, but for now, I'm just gonna turn my podcast on, eat some snacks. So let's do it.
Structural systems to the bunkers, and then we started getting into what are called deep level systems, right? And they're good. They're very similar to.
So far, so good on the sleeping bag and staying warm. I'm pretty warm. I got like 3 layers on, and yeah, I'm gonna hit the hay for tonight. And without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the morning. Peace out. Alright guys, good morning. It's currently 7:15. That was a pretty good night of sleep. Got the little setup in here. Let's get up and start packing up. I'm pretty sure it rained, so gotta try and kind of wipe the outside of the tent and stuff. So let's try and start packing up, guys. Another just kind of last look at our area before we pack up. I'm just down here chilling by the river right now. Nice to wake up to all of this. And then we come back up over here. Here's our tent where we slept. And here's our little fire pit from last night as well. All right guys, we just made it out. currently on my way back now. Without further ado, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys like the video, make sure you guys show some support in any way, whether it's showing a like or a sub or sharing it with any of your friends. Besides that, guys, make sure you guys stay venturing, stay exploring. Have a great rest of your guys' day. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Peace.